In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Cloud Billing Account ID using the Google Cloud Console. Understanding how to locate this ID is an essential skill for managing and troubleshooting your billing effectively on Google Cloud. Once you have access to your ID, you can seamlessly monitor your billing accounts and ensure everything is running smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Cloud Console. Once there, sign in with your Google account credentials, ensuring that you have the correct permissions to access the billing information you'll need. After you've signed in, select the project that you want to work with from the project menu. This selection tells Google Cloud which project you want to work under and allows for specific options related to the project's billing. Now take a look at the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the billing option and click on it. This will open up several billing-related options, and you should see something like My Billing Accounts or Manage Billing Accounts. Click on this option, and you will be directed to a page that displays a list of all the billing accounts you can access. Here, the columns will typically include the billing account name and the billing account ID right next to it. Scanning these columns should help you spot your ID quickly and efficiently. If you want to dive deeper into any specific billing account, you have the option to do so. Simply click on Account Management from the Billing Account list, and you will be taken to a page where all the detailed information about that billing account is displayed. Near the top of this page, you'll find the Billing Account ID readily available for copying or noting down. Now, let's discuss some important details about permissions. To view these billing account details, you must have permission billing.accounts.get or one of the roles that include this permission, like Billing Account Viewer or Billing Account Administrator. These roles enable you to view the necessary billing information. However, if you only have project-level roles without billing roles, you may encounter some restrictions. In this case, you might only see the billing account linked to your specific project via the My Projects option under Billing, rather than having access to a full list of billing accounts. Understanding and managing your billing details is crucial for oversight and accountability, helping you to manage your resources more effectively. If at any point you find yourself unable to see the information you need, consider reviewing your permissions or reaching out to your team's administrator to ensure you're equipped with the necessary accesses. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has empowered you to find your Google Cloud Billing Account ID with ease.